Hello guys, finally I received it. This is why I'm making the video, to say that from Monday we start again to have 2 videos every week. I didn't find the apple on the tree like I show it, but I buy and they send me directly at home good things, because I order with the normal keyboard, the English keyboard, not with the Thai keyboard that will be more complicated. I do the video with Tobias, that I thanks to use his drone to make the video, and now I will try to show you, if I can, with this new computer, some comments that people do under the other video. So if you have time, go and check the other video and also read the comments, because it's very fun. Usually the comment is only about how to do the recipe, so it's not so fun. But in this case, yeah, if you read it, you will find something very interesting. Now I try to show you. I show you if I can record the screen. Okay, here we are. For example, I want to thank a girl has no name, because she say, I will gladly donate as soon as I get paid. The meaning of the other video, the reason of the other video is not for asking for money, like many people misunderstand, only to say that I cannot post the video every week. But because another followers, Bella Donna, that I thanks, she advised, if you open a GoFundMe account, if somebody want to make a donation, they can do it and you can use that money to buy the new stuff. This was my goal, because now all the money that I put apart for the channel I spend for the new computer. So this is why I make the other video, to say that I will not do the video, but don't worry, from Monday we start again to do everything normally. And plus that if somebody want to help to buy the new stuff, they can do it, but don't feel that you should do it, okay? So thank you already for watching the video, for sharing the video with your friends, and for leave me a like it. Remember always to do this. But the things that I want to show you, if I know how to move, many people say different things. Again, a girl has no name, I like it. Go and pet a cat. Good idea, because if you are stressful, the cat can help you to relax. Many people also say, like Jai, I don't know, sorry if it's the wrong pronunciation. Adam say, the guy never force you to help. You are being okay, even if he spend his money in the wrong way. Yeah. So I think it's normal to go on holiday. I don't know if you go. I went in holiday and spent my money that I put apart for the holiday. And now the money that I put apart for the channel I spend already for the computer. So if you go, also Dana McWhite, he gave me a good advice, thank you. He say, you can always get a job too. Thank you for the advice. And the big war starts with Melody, that she doesn't like these things, she unsubscribed and so on. But like Blood, he said that YouTube is a real job, also if it's not enough for me at this moment. I should work like normal people. And yeah, many they fight here with her. And here there is a very long comment that I don't read, because with my English we will need an hour only to read these comments. But from this comment I can understand that also with my bad English the video was clear, because he understood the meaning of the video. So I prefer to stop speaking about this and to complain about some people, probably if they unsubscribe, I cannot say nothing. It's up to you. If you like to follow my video, you can follow it. You know, you can unsubscribe. But if you follow, I'm more happy. Thank you. Okay, now I want to show you the page of GoFundMe to thank the people that make the donation. I think should be a good thing. So this is the page with the new Apple. This is the page, and here I can thank all the people that make the donation. Marco, Antonio, Anonymous, that they give 50 euro, 100 euro. Like I said the other video, I think it's too much. I'm very thankful, but I think it's too much. And Luigi, Sandrino, Andrew, Mark, Anonymous, Catarina, Anonymous, Teresa, Anonymous, Aaron, Seon, Anonymous, and Ivo. Ivo, thanks 2 times because he make donation plus he support me on Patreon. The other things that I show in the other video. Okay guys, the video I think is already too long, but I noticed unfortunately that you like more this video than the video when I cook, because the video of the egg or the video of the cake have less view than this video, so something is wrong. Okay guys, don't worry, from Monday we start again to have 2 videos every week. See you, bye bye.